In this video, I will show you how to hide Taskbar on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are, as you can see on my Windows 11 desktop, you can see currently my Taskbar is visible at the bottom. So if you want to hide this, all you need to do is come down to your taskbar, right click onto an empty space of the taskbar, and on this pop-up that comes up, click onto Taskbar settings. Now once you've done that, it's going to open up a window like this, and from here you want to locate where it says Taskbar Behaviors, give this a click, and if you scroll down, you're going to see an option here which says automatically hide the taskbar. So if we actually tick this, as you can see, it's going to hide our taskbar. So to access our taskbar, all we need to do is move our mouse down towards the bottom of the screen and the taskbar is going to pop up. But when we move away from the taskbar, it's going to hide automatically. Of course, to unhide the taskbar, all you need to do is come back into this setting and untick the box to automatically have your taskbar show back up. So that is how to hide taskbar on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.